Hi everybody, I am Harsha here. I am going to review about the keto secret recipes made by the Giuseppe Marketing from Italy, and it's going to be launched on 11th a.m. Eastern Sunday time of on 17th July, within another few hours. So, keto or the ketogenic diet is simply defined as the low carb, moderate protein, and high fat diet. So, this aim is to enhance our metabolism rate in the body. So, these recipes are being tested and proven that it helps to uh, lose weight in the body and also the enable to prevent our risk factors like cholesterol, diabetics, high blood sugar, and these high blood pressure. Likewise, the various risk factors. So, but now I think that the modern trend is to use this keto secret is to just lose weight, but no problem that by losing weight that automatically those risk factors has been just vanished from your body. So reducing weight is comes under two ways. The first one is the burning or the reducing fat inside our body, and also the enabling our insulin inside our body to make your the body functions very correctly. So with that, I have just want to review this keto secret. So if this is something that you are looking for, just be with me. I will give you in detail about this keto secret recipes, and I have some informative bonuses for you all to share with my experiences and with my knowledge. So this is my bonus bundle page for you all to give this with Keto Secret. So, but this is not an insane bonus bundle, but this is an informative bonus bundle that I want to give with you with my knowledge and with my experience. So just I integrated some informative bonuses to you all that to utilize with this Keto Secret. So before that, you may think that how I can integrated this knowledge, this bonuses for this keto secret. So I will just show you my pictures from before, like 5 to 6 years back. So and also the photos of this last 5 to 6 months. So this is me actually. So you can see that. So you can see with me that how I also looked, and this is we with my boss. So in the this white the yellow ellipse. So just to like become boss. So this is me. That was me. So this is me. So you can see how I was. So this is the first time that I thought to get a photo inside the gym. So once I in very recently I just hit a gym, and I saw that this phrase success is not given, it's earned on the track, on the field, in the gym, with blood, sweat, and the occasional tear. So that's the turning point of my weight transformation journey, that to reduce up to 18 kgs in this fast 4 to 6 months. So I just give you the photos of that. So this is me. I just started the journey on 19th. Uh, sorry, that's. So I started 19th March of this year with 1991 kgs. So that's how I started by. I just forget to get some photos because I never thought that I will accomplish this task or the mission with this with kind of a manner. So this is me, the 1st of April, 10th of April, 25th, and this is the 1st of May, 8th of May, 13th of May, then 24th of May, 30th of May, then 4th of June, then ultimately this 14th of June. So I just finished my 90 days of just kind of a course by reducing just 18 kgs. I ended up with 17 kgs, but literally not finished. I still counting that one, and I am just going through that. So this is me inside the gym, and this how look like in nowadays. So you can see that I am just without any kind of embarrassed situation. I am just be with my friend. So this is me. So that's why I thought to give this information bonus with you all to use with this keto recipes. So with that, I come to my bonuses. The bonus number one is my blueprint of weight transformation journey within 90 days. So actually, it is there what I did in this first 90 days, how I how I manage to the consistent workout during these 90 days to accomplish my weight transformation journey. So my bonus number two is the 28 million worth of secret to lose belly fat workout challenge. So that is actually from CureFit. So I just researched from YouTube itself and I found that. So this kind of 28 million worth of secret that you will get instantly. This secret workout challenge. This is from CureFit officials. So my bonus number three is 28 methods of consultants to use with this keto secret recipes. So there are 28 methods that you need to know about. What are the these things that the insulin resistance has been encountered within our body. So within these 28 methods of consultants, you will able to realize what kind of insulin resistance you have inside your body. So this is came from Dr. Berg. So I just all the things I have just from the YouTube. So itself I just research and I found these things within before I just committed to my 90 days transformation. So bonus number four is info this use fuel with this keto secret recipes to lose weight. So in this you will know how you insulin works inside our body and what to do for insulin resistance and to enable insulin in our body, and also the just giving the simplifying of this belly fat inside our hip area. So uh, this is the kind of informative bonus that I am to give you. So with that I am just giving you the view of this sales page. So this is the kind of a sale page, the keto secret recipe. So we will found this keto secret recipe book, but you will get a kind of a ebook with this the product. So there are you have kind of a description about this ketogenic and ketosis, like everything. So that's all about this sales page. So you can go through with this on the time in the sales page. So if you are just just click the link down below of this video and you can just grab this product. So uh, so this is the page that you will get after this just clicking my the link below of down video. And just after you click this the yellow buttons, you will just go to this keto secret sales page and you will able to see this add to cart this graphic. So you just have to just click this yellow button and you will come to cross to get your product at the Warrior Pass portal like this. So you have to just click that access your purchase, then you will get your the keto secret recipes, and just under that you will have access affiliate bonus. So once you click that bonus, you will get my all the informative bonuses from the my blueprint plus the KeoFit officials workout challenge and Dr. Berg, right, kind of informative the lectures. So once you click that blue button, you will come to this my thank you page. So you can just access my bonuses in that page. So with that, move to the prices of this keto recipe. So just it is cost around just $9.99. So you will able to get this recipe from this kind of a this kind of a rate. So the upsell number one is the Keto Secret Recipe one-time offer that will cost around $19. So this is very, I think, very kind of a informative product that you have to just grab before this going to be ended. So with that, I will just go again the this bonuses that I am to give you. So my blueprint. Then bonus number two is this 28 million worth of secret workout challenge, and this 28 methods of consultant uh, about this insulin resistance, and this the bonus number four is the fuel with this keto secret to use. So uh, I think that I have come to the end of this review. So I actually just integrated my experience and my research, my knowledge to the bonuses as informative bonuses, but not as that kind of a bonuses that others are giving. Just because of that my blood, my sweat that I've just put in the ground. So that's why I just created these bonuses. So actually, I'm knowing that the people how embarrassed in front of the others by having this bulky body size, and the like the showing like that they are putting a tire in around the hip likewise. So I can feel that and I just felt that during my past 5 to 6 years. So now I am actually become free. So I just the feeling free. So that's why I just integrated these bonuses with this ultimatum, this the keto secret recipe product. So that's how you will able to grab this keto secret. So I think that I have given you the worth of review. So if this is kind of a, you think that if this is worth, so just hit the like button and just subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you very much.